In today's video, we're going to find equivalent ratios for the fraction 1/5. To find an equivalent ratio, you simply multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same integer. Let's walk through a few examples together. Our first example is multiplying the fraction by 2. Multiply 1 by 2 in the numerator and 5 by 2 in the denominator. This gives us 2/10. For our second example, multiply the fraction by 3. This time, 1 times 3 is 3 in the numerator, and 5 times 3 is 15 in the denominator, giving us 3/15. Next, let's multiply the fraction by 4. By doing this, 1 times 4 equals 4 in the numerator, and 5 times 4 equals 20 in the denominator, which gives us 4/20. Finally, let's multiply the fraction by 5. This results in 1 times 5, which is 5 in the numerator, and 5 times 5, which is 25 in the denominator, giving us 5/25. These are just a few examples of equivalent ratios for the fraction 1/5. You can find more equivalent ratios simply by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by any integer. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other mathematical concepts with MathGPT